Hello, lovies! Spring is upon us, and I couldn't be happier. So it has totally inspired me to bring some spring touches into our home. So today I'm going to be making my family a yummy baked chicken dinner. It's really simple. We're just going to bake some large chicken breasts, and I cook all of the chicken breasts. Of course, we're not going to eat all of those, but if I season them just with some regular seasoning, I can use them in different meals. So I always bake once and use twice. So I'm just going to put them in a pan and season them up with some lemon pepper seasoning and some kicked up chicken seasoning. I'm going to be making some fresh vegetables and a beautiful rice medley to go on the side. This is delicious, easy dinner, and I'm super excited to get it on the table for my family. So while the chicken bakes, I'm going to bring some spring touches into my home. It just made me reflect so much on God's goodness about the changing seasons. Thank goodness we don't live in eternal winter or an eternal hot summer. I may be able to deal with an eternal fall. I'm not sure. But I'm just so happy that God gave us seasons, because with each changing season, it just brings a new excitement, and you can just feel it in the atmosphere. And spring happens to be one of my favorites, spring and fall. But spring is my favorite because it just is a representation of new life. And I can just feel like God is doing new things when the season seems to transition from this dull, dreary winter, everything's dead, everything's brown, to overnight, it just seems like everything gets green and lush. The birds come back out of nowhere. Flowers are sprouting. The air smells different. The birds are singing, and it just like rejuvenates your soul. And I think God, is in his ultimate wisdom, did all of that on purpose. And the best part about all of it is I know that he did it because he loved us. God gave us this beautiful, incredible earth with all of its beautiful seasons and all of its awesome things in it to express his love towards us. Do you know what I mean? Like, he didn't have to make different seasons, but he did because he knew how it would make us feel. And it's his ultimate expression of love towards us. He loved us enough to create these seasons so that we can fall in love with them and feel the expression that they bring and fill us with hope. And I'm telling you, as the new season of spring approaches, there's just this new, rejuvenated, excited spirit within me. So I am just so grateful. So as I began to bring some spring touches into my home, just using some Dollar Tree things and things I had on hand, things I thrifted, I just was filled with so much joy and hope. And I just thank God for that. So I just hope in this spring season, you are just filled with a rejuvenated spring in your step kind of spirit, that the seasons are changing, good things are coming, and warm weather, sunny days, all the busyness, all the fun things are on its way. And that God did that just for us, just as an expression of his love towards us. Gave us beautiful singing birds and bunnies and flowers and blue skies, just because he loves us. What a beautiful, awesome, incredible thing that God has done for us. So I'm going to chop up 2 zucchinis and some fresh button mushrooms, and I'm going to get them in my skillet with a little bit of salt and pepper. I add just a dab of butter. I'm really trying to watch my oils and my butters. I'm really trying to stay away from all dairy. But when I was doing some research, if you're going to like quote unquote saute something, they say butter is better than using like high processed vegetable oil. So I guess out of the 2 quote unquote evils, I guess a little dab of butter is better. A lot of my sauteing that I've been doing in the pan lately, I have been doing with just water, but that's for myself. This meal I am making for my family, and my husband says it doesn't have any flavor. I put a little dab of butter in there for him and lots of garlic, salt, and pepper, and they just cook down into deliciousness. So we're going to get the vegetables going and the rice going, and we'll be able to plate this delicious dinner up for the family very soon. So now that dinner's over, of course, you got to clean up the kitchen. So I'm going to bring some attention to my stove. And while I was over there, I remembered that I picked up about a week or two ago these adorable kitchen towels from the Dollar Tree. Now, when I was trying to buy kitchen towels for Valentine's Day from the Dollar Tree, I did not like them. They did the gnomes, and I'm just not crazy about the gnomes. I'm kind of gnomed out. So I was kind of anxious to see kind of what they would do for Valentine's Day. For Easter, spring. And I was pleasantly surprised that they did these adorable towels, and they kind of changed their texture. If you guys are an avid Dollar Tree shopper, then you might understand what I'm talking about. Usually the towels that you get from the Dollar Tree are not the best quality. They're usually kind of thin, and they almost feel a little rough. These towels are actually thick and really soft. Like, I actually had trouble getting this towel to go behind my little bar on my stove because it was so thick. I was really shocked at the quality of these towels that came from the Dollar Tree. They're really cute. So I got two that have like these little cute Easter eggs on them. And in that gray print that's in the middle towel, it says Egg Hunt. And in the middle one, it has the Easter eggs in the teal pickup truck, which I absolutely love because my kitchen is teal. I do a lot of Pioneer Women decor in my kitchen. So that teal truck was like, chef's kiss. So I was pleasantly surprised with these towels from the Dollar Tree. And then I'm just going to bring a little bit of spring over here to my, I guess this is called a baker's rack, where you keep our microwave. I had some wintry stuff on there. So I'm just going to take it down, and I got this little egg, teal like egg little table topper from the Dollar Tree as well. So after I wipe down my microwave, I'm going to put that down, and I picked up one of those adorable signs from the Dollar Tree that have the carrots on it. For like Easter. It's adorable. It looks like a cutting board. So I thought to pop the kind of orange in that color scheme on that because it has carrots. I thought oranges would look really cute because it's orange carrots and oranges to pop that orange color. And then I remembered that I also picked up a carrot. They're not called banners. I guess it'd be like I don't know. I picked up carrots on a string. A garland, I guess. A carrot garland from the Dollar Tree as well. So I strung that as well. And I also bought beautiful little daffodils and this little teal pot for them to sit on. Once the daffodils get a little droopy on me, I am going to take them outside because they're a whole bulb. That's why I bought them. The bulb is in the dirt that you can see. I'm actually going to take them outside and plant the bulb so that I have the daffodils for next year that grow outside. And then I'm going to repot one of my indoor plants in that cute little pot that I bought from, I believe I got both of those from the Dollar General. So just some spring touches to my little baker's rack here because it kind of is what you see when you come up my steps. So I'm not finished with my spring decor yet. I want to decorate some wreaths and things like that, but I'm just doing a little at a time. So this is what I did today, and I love how it turned out. Thanks so much for joining me today, guys. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Remember, God is good. He loves you. I love you, but He loves you so much more. And I will be talking to you in another video very soon. Until then, take care of you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.